Here's a 2017 Buick Encore. Your journey to the urban jungle awaits, and this SUV is well suited for the adventure. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, ultrasonic park assist, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, active noise cancellation, aluminum wheels, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, and automatic transmission. Popular Mechanics comments, the Encore delivers luxury car quiet in a handsomely designed cabin. Imaginative luxury for the real world. That's today's Buick. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call, click, or stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located just off Route 9 East at 350 Worcester Road.